Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Today we are going to read the exercise of chapter 2, How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. Working with the text.
Working with the text.
A.
A.
Discuss these questions in pairs
Discuss these questions in pairs
before you write the answers.
before you write the answers.
1.
1.
Why did the dog feel the need for a master?
Why did the dog feel the need for a master?
2.
2.
Who did he first choose as his master?
Who did he first choose as his master?
Why did he leave that master?
Why did he leave that master?
3.
3.
Who did he choose next?
Who did he choose next?
4.
4.
Why did he serve the lion for a long time?
Why did he serve the lion for a long time?
5.
5.
Who did he finally choose as his master and why?
Who did he finally choose as his master and why?
B.
B.
A summary of the story is given below.
A summary of the story is given below.
Fill in the blanks.
Fill in the blanks.
To complete it, taking appropriate phrases from the box.
To complete it, taking appropriate phrases from the box.
A dog,
A dog.
stronger than anyone else.
Stronger than anyone else.
The strongest of all.
The strongest of all.
A wolf,
A wolf.
the bear,
The bear.
afraid of man,
Afraid of man.
his own master.
His own master.
A lion.
A lion.
This is the story of blank,
This is the story of blank.
who used to be blank.
Who used to be blank.
He decided to find a master,
He decided to find a master.
blank.
Blank.
First he found
First he found
blank,
blank.
but the wolf
But the wolf
was afraid of
was afraid of
blank.
blank.
The dog thought that the bear was
The dog had that the bear was
blank.
blank.
After some time, the dog met
After some time the dog met
blank,
blank.
who seemed the strongest.
Who seemed the strongest.
He stayed with the lion for a long time.
He stayed with the lion for a long time.
One day, he realized that the lion was
One day he realized that the lion was
blank.
blank.
To this day,
To this day,
the dog remains man's best friend.
the dog remains man's best friend.
Working with language.
Working with language.
A.
A.
Each word in the box given below
Each word in the box given below
indicates a large number of.
indicates a large number of,
For example,
for example,
a herd of cows
a herd of cows
refers to many cows.
refers to many cows.
Complete each of the following phrases
Complete each of the following phrases
with a suitable word from the box.
with a suitable word from the box.
School,
School,
fleet,
fleet,
rude,
rude,
bundle,
bundle,
bunch,
bunch,
pack,
pack,
flock,
flock,
herd.
herd.
1.
One,
A blank of ships.
a blank of ships.
2.
2.
A blank of flowers.
A blank of flowers.
3.
3.
A blank of chicks.
A blank of chips.
4.
4.
A blank of cattle.
A blank of cattle.
5.
5.
A blank of sticks.
A blank of sticks.
6.
6.
A blank of sheep.
A blank of sheep.
7.
7.
A blank of fish.
A blank of fish.
8.
8.
A blank of wolves.
A blank of wolves.
B.
B.
Make nouns from the words given below
Make nouns from the words given below
by adding NESS
by adding NESS
or ITY.
or ITY.
For some words we need to adjust
For some words we need to add just
ty
ty
or y.
or y.
1.
1.
Honest,
Honest.
blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
Kind,
Kind.
blank.
Blank.
3.
3.
Cruel,
Cruel.
blank.
Blank.
4.
4.
Calm,
Calm.
blank.
Blank.
5.
5.
Sad,
Sad.
blank.
Blank.
6.
6.
Active,
Active.
blank.
Blank.
7.
7.
Creative,
Creative.
blank.
Blank.
8.
8.
Sincere,
Sincere.
blank.
Blank.
9.
9.
Cheerful,
Cheerful.
blank.
Blank.
10.
10.
Bitter,
Bitter.
blank.
Blank.
11.
11.
Sensitive,
Sensitive.
blank.
Blank.
12.
12.
Great,
Great.
blank.
Blank.
D.
D.
Read the following passage
Read the following passage
and do the exercise that follow.
and do the exercise that follow.
Then complete the family tree of dogs given on the facing page.
Then complete the family tree of dogs given on the facing page.
The dog family.
The dog family.
The dog family is one of the 11 families
The dog family is one of the 11 families
that make up the carnivores,
that make up the carnivores,
a large group of intelligent,
a large group of intelligent,
flesh-eating,
flesh-eating,
backboned animals.
backbone animals.
In this group are such varied animals as
In this group are such varied animals as
bears,
bears,
pandas,
pandas,
raccoons,
raccoons,
cats,
cats,
hyenas,
hyenas,
and even seal.
and even seal.
The dog or canine family has many wild species
The dog and canine family has many wild species
like wolves,
like wolves,
foxes,
foxes,
coyotes,
coyotes,
jackals,
jackals,
and wild dogs.
and wild dogs.
The dog is the only
The dog is the only
domesticated member of canine family.
domesticated member of the canine family.
Though now and then someone tames a wolf,
Though now and then someone takes a wolf,
fox or coyotes as a pet,
fox and coyote as a pet.
all members of the dog family are descendants
All members of the dog family are descendants
of a wolf-like animal which lived about 15 million years ago.
of a wolf-like animal which lived about 15 million years ago.
From this distant ancestor,
From this distant ancestor,
the true dogs gradually developed,
the true dog gradually developed,
but nobody knows the exact
but nobody knows the exact
ancestor of the modern domestic dog.
ancestor of the modern domestic dog.
Several wild dogs look and behave like domesticated dogs,
Several wild dogs look and behave like domestic dogs.
The dingo or wild dog of Australia is one of these.
The dingo or wild dog of Australia is one of these.
It is possible that the dingo
It is possible that the dingo
was a tame dog brought to Australia
was a tame dog brought to Australia
long ago, which then ran wild.
long ago. This ran wild.
Dogs were the first animal tamed by humans.
Dogs were the first animals tamed by humans.
Perhaps 20,000 years ago.
Perhaps 20,000 years ago.
Tame dogs were brought from Asia
Tame dogs were brought from Asia
to the New World 5,000 or more years ago.
to the New World 5,000 or more years ago.
Dogs were first used for hunting.
Dogs were first used for hunting.
1.
1.
Find the opposites of these words in the text above.
Find the opposites of these words in the text above.
1.
1.
Ancestor.
Ancestor.
2.
2.
Wild.
Wild.
3.
3.
Ancient.
Ancient.
4.
4.
Near.
Near.
5.
5.
Suddenly.
Suddenly.
2.
2.
Complete the following sentences.
Complete the following sentences.
1.
1.
The dingo is blank.
The dingo is blank.
2.
2.
Dogs were the blank animals
Dogs were the blank animals
tamed by humans.
tamed by humans.
The other animals tamed by humans are
The other animals tamed by humans are
blank.
blank.
Think and name some other such animals.
He can name some other such animals.
3.
3.
The new world refers to blank.
The new word refers to blank.
Dogs were brought there from blank.
Dogs were brought there from blank.
Speaking.
Speaking.
Here are some points from a similar story
Here are some points from a similar story
that you might have heard in another language.
that you might have heard in another language.
Dividing the class into two groups.
Dividing the class into 2 groups.
Try and tell the story in English.
Try and tell the story in English.
One person from each group can speak alternately.
One person from each group can speak alternately.
Your teacher will help you.
Your teacher will help you.
As you tell it,
As you tell it,
one of you may write it down, one on the board.
one of you may write it down on the board.
A mouse maiden.
A mouse maiden.
Mouse changed into a girl by magician.
Mouse changed into a girl by magician.
Wants to marry the strongest person.
Wants to marry the strongest person.
Asked whether sun or cloud stronger.
Ask whether sun or cloud stronger.
Why?
Why?
But mountain stronger than clouds.
But mountain stronger than clouds.
How?
How?
But mouse stronger than mountain.
But mouse stronger than mountain.
How?
How?
Girl asked to marry mouse.
Girl asked to marry mouse.
Becomes a mouse again.
Becomes a mouse again.
The last ride together.
The last ride together.
There was a young man of Niger
There was a young man of Niger
who went for a ride on a tiger.
who went for a ride on a tiger.
They returned from their ride
They returned from their ride
with the man inside
with the man inside
and a smile on the face of the tiger.
and the smile on the face of the tiger.